Lelo pa Nyasa VoiceBox tikubweretserani zomwe adalankhula olemekezeka mtsogoleri wa chipani cha United Democratic Front UDF olemekezeka a Austin Atupele Muluzi. Iwowa amalankhula ku mkumano wa zamalonda komanso chuma umene akonza ndi a Indian Economic and Trade Organization umene ukuchitikira mu dziko la India. Koma bambo Atupele Muluzi amalankhulira kuno kwathu ku Malawi kudzera pa makina a internet kapena kuti virtual kuwauza anthu kumeneko za mwayi obwera kuno kwathu ku Malawi kudzachita malonda kapena kuti investment opportunities zimene zili kuno kwathu ku Malawi. Ndine Manikile Modzi pano pa Nyasa VoiceBox timve kuti kodi bambo Austin Atupele Muluzi analikulitsa bwanji dziko la Malawi kumeneko, ndipo akamaliza timati mutiuze maganizo anu in the comment section below pompano pa Nyasa VoiceBox.
Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum. It fills me with great honor, excitement, and a sense of privilege in addressing you through this video. At the same time, I must convey my strongest apology to the whole congregation, the hosts, and the organizers for such a wonderful gathering, for not being able to be there in person. My name is Atupele Austin Muluzi, President of the United Democratic Front, and I'm one of the major contestants in the upcoming tripartite elections in Malawi on the 16th of September of this year. And I'm so preoccupied with the campaign, hence my absence. Malawi and India have a long, deep and cordial relationship. Stemming from pre-colonial era, both countries were former British colonies. Some of you might wish to know that some Indians arrived in Malawi long before some indigenous tribes. The notable family is that of the Osman Adam, who arrived in Malawi as a trader as early as 1885. Individuals like Abdul Sattar Sakrani, who served as the first Indian mayor of Blantyre city, and Ishmael Kasim Surti, the first Indian Speaker of the Malawi Parliament, played significant roles in Malawi society today. The Indian community continued to grow the private sector, which is instrumental in the meaningful growth of our economy. Bilateral trade between Malawi and India continues to grow. Among other exchange programs, Malawi has a lot to learn from India as a growing economy. Malawi is an agriculture-based economy with potentials in rice, sugar, tobacco, tea, and coffee, among many other areas as well. And although tobacco is the main forex earner, intensive rice farming alone has the potential to rake in over $3 billion annually. This brings a greater opportunity for Malawi to diversify its foreign exchange earnings in view of the chronic forex crisis that the country is currently passing through. Aside from farming, Malawi is blessed with vast deposits of rare minerals like rutile, graphite, niobium. It also has gold and more. A recent survey also revealed the presence of oil and gas in 4 blocks in the country. All these mining and explorations cannot be achieved without adequate and steady power supply. The country has a 21 million population with only about 500 megawatts of electricity being generated. This figure represents a 13% access to electricity, another opportunity for investments. Lake Malawi is another beauty. It is the 3rd largest freshwater body on the continent with a variety of fish, and it is underutilized. We also have underutilized in farming, tourism, and water transportation are some of the opportunities it presents. In view of time, allow me not to expand further, but assure you that Malawi enjoys a good ranking on the World Peace Index and continues to avail itself for opportunities like the ones you're deliberating on today. I'm very confident that you will consider investing in Malawi, and I look forward to meeting some of you in the near future and engaging more. I wish you well as you continue to discuss future projects and prospects. Thank you all. Thank you very much.